and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be cooking mutton and squash curry. First I'll show you all of my ingredients. Green onion, white onion, Wiri peppers, Balafire, curry leaves, garlic, mutton, chicken cube, vegetable cube, garam masala, Lalah curry powder, Indi Madras curry powder, more Wiri peppers, and squash. Some water, and I added a 1/4 cup water. Now I'm gonna blend until smooth. Ready. Now I'll mix the masala. My oil is hot. I'm going to bunjay the curry now. Curry is finished bunjaying. I'm going to add the mutton. And I'm gonna cover and continue cooking on medium. The meat has been cooking for 20 minutes now and all the water dry out. Now I'll add boiling water and I'll continue cooking the meat for 1 hour. And this squash is from my backyard. Today I'm going to share something with you. When you cook squash, before you chip up the squash or cut up the squash, wash it. Don't wash it after you cut it up. What it does, it soaks up water and the taste is not the same. You get the full taste, flavor of the squash when you wash it and then chip it. Finish cutting up the squash. And the mutton has been cooking for 1 hour now, and it's falling off the bones. I'm going to add the squash. The mutton and squash curry is almost finished. The squash curry is finished. I'm gonna add the wiri peppers and cook for 5 more minutes. And the mutton and squash curry is finished cooking. Here is my mutton and squash curry served with rice. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video.